Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Razr from 2022, and today I will show you how you can boot this phone into boot mode. So to get started, let's hold our power key and then select power off. Once the phone turns off, hold power and volume up or volume down at the same time. And as you can see, this instantly boots us into boot mode. So from here you can navigate through the options that will be visible right here using volume keys up and down. And the options accessible to us are Start, which takes us back to Android, Restart Bootloader, which I just say does absolutely nothing, Recovery Mode takes us to Recovery Mode, Power Off, and then Bootloader Logs, Barcode, and we're back to Start. So that's what I'm going to stick with. I'm going to confirm it now with power key. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.